how does an atom go about becoming stable when it is unstable? So what's the process of the decay? Well, atoms decay in what we call half-lives, and a half-life is simply the amount of time it takes for half of the atoms in a radioactive sample to decay. And each radioactive nuclide, it actually has its own half-life that you can use to identify the nucleus if you needed to. And just as a rule of thumb, the more stable the radioactive nuclide, then the longer the half-life is going to be. And so over here, I've got the decay of sodium-24, and if we started out with, looks like about 400 grams, which is a lot, of this sodium-24, and after about, it's like 13, 15 hours, something like that, is the half-life of this sodium atom, then at that point, we're down to 200. And then each 13-ish 15-ish hours that pass, another half of it will have decayed. Now, you won't be able to tell, like, let's say you were to, label one atom of sodium-24 and go, okay, I'm going to predict when that guy's going to decay. You can't do that. You never know which atom it is that's going to be the one to decay. All that you know is that after a period of time, whatever that atom's half-life is, then half of the atoms will have decayed. And that being said, you get down here to this point, and the amount of radioactivity in a sample will actually never go to zero, but it does get to a low enough point that you can consider it zero when you take into account sig figs.